Hey guys, and welcome back to Epic Gun Time. This evening I thought I would go ahead and swap my mag release on my Glock 43X. If you watched our previous video on the Shield Arms S15 mags, you'll know that Shield Arms highly recommends swapping out your stock mag release on the Glock 43X or the Glock 48 for a metal mag release. And the reason is these are metal magazines, and over time, if you use these metal magazines with this poly or plastic mag release, it'll start to wear down. It'll start to wear down and become unreliable. At least that's the idea. And so they highly recommend using this metal mag release here, and that way this will not wear out when you're using these metal magazines. These are really nice mags, by the way. If you haven't checked out our video on the S15 pistol magazines, highly recommend it. If you wouldn't mind, real quick, would you guys click the like button on this video, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It helps our channel tremendously. I really would appreciate it. So anyways, I went ahead and I opened up the package here. You can see mag catch release for the Glock 43X and the Glock 48. It's really nice. I really like this guy here. I'm gonna shine it up at the camera. I like that button. That looks really nice. I think that'll work out real well. So what I got here is, I don't know why I have this Phillips here, but I have a Phillips screwdriver. There's a little spring inside that we're gonna kind of try to get out of its slot. We're gonna pull this out, put this in, and put that spring back in. And I just I've done this on a Glock 19 before. It's not too bad. It just takes a little bit of finagling. So let's go ahead and begin. So this gun is clear, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So let's see if we can get some light in there. All right, so I don't know if you can see. Oh, it's wanting to focus on the wrong thing. That's right, sometimes people can do that. They can focus on the wrong thing. All right, so you see that spring in there down? It's kind of a long spring. That's the one we're gonna kind of try to shove over and move out of the way. It kind of fits in a little slot in the mag release, the plastic mag release. We're gonna try to move it out of there. So here we go. I'm gonna push it the other way, and I'm gonna try to get behind there. Oh, got it. Cool, popped it out. Great. So hopefully I can. Okay, the spring's out of the way now. I just gotta get this out of here. There we go. All right, so now the trick is getting that spring to stay out of our way while we put this one in. So I think we can finagle it. There we go. That's not too bad. I'm sure there's better ways of doing this. There's people probably watching this video right now going, "Are you kidding me? Who does this guy think he is?" That's what I think too. All right, here we go. Actually, be honestly helpful to have something with a wider head to just move this spring out of the way. So there we go. Wider, sturdier head. Move it all out of the way. There we go. Cool. And now we just got to push this back in its slot. And oh my goodness, I think I did it. Yeah, I think it's in there. Now, Shield Arms has a very good installation. That's cool, way cool. Yeah, Shield Arms has a great installation video on how to swap this out. It's probably a lot better than this one. So check that out. I believe it's shieldarms.com/installation. So, I mean, highly recommend that over watching mine. But here's this old piece that came out. That's just plastic. It's just poly This would just kind of wear out over time using those metal mags, is what they say at least. So, and you know, guys speculate how long you have till this would wear out, but wanted to go ahead and do that since I'm going to dedicate to using just the Shield Arms S15 mags exclusively. I'll take my stock Glock mags and I'll hide them somewhere. And yeah, let's see. Let's check this out here. Feels great. Alright guys, well, hope that was helpful. Yeah, like I said, check out the S15 pistol mag video we did for the Glock 43X and the 48. Thanks for watching this installation video, and hope it was helpful. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe to this video. We'll see you next time.